Kadima, following the plot of Game of Thrones. Painting your own nails. Naming pets. Pretending to be listening. Playing with cats. Trolling people online. Binge watching Netflix. Yelling at cars in traffic. Going through airport security. Haggling with customer service. Eating donut holes. Wagging presents. Arguing. Offending Gordan Ramsay. Cooking while high. Drinking. Eating really spicy buffalo wings. Throwing shade. Dog paddling the swimming stroke. Using grammar correctly. Eating burritos in a bed with white sheets. Motorcycle jousting. Beer pong.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.